Okay, I've got the DRIVETECH towing mirrors out of the box. Going to fit these now. Pretty easy to do, guys, not hard at all. You'll need a tool to take the inside trim off, one of those nice plastic ones with a sharp point. Screwdriver, preferably ratchet, and I think it's a Torx 27 bit will probably take these mirrors off, the old ones, and a small socket set just to put it back on. Okay, so quick example, there's your difference. That's going to be pretty massive for me on towing the caravan. Visibility will be unbelievable. So anyway, let's get into that. I'll just show you some bits and pieces along the way. Won't take long, just a short video. Alrighty, let's go. Alright, that's the trim tool, guys. Plastic trim tool, nice and easy. Get ourselves over here. Literally just pop that in behind the speaker. Yep, that's it. Easy as that. Little speaker comes off. There's a short cable connected to it. Pretty easy to undo. PX3 has a speaker. No big deal at all. Torx 27. Let's have a look and see if this fits. Yep, Torx 27 it is, guys. There's going to be 3 of these to undo. One of them is behind a plastic lug, black plastic lug. That's not a problem. Just use your trim tool again. Probably the other end to get that out. So let's undo the first couple. Might leave that top one in for a little bit longer. Now the one on the bottom down here, you've got to get past the trim down here, so you may have to remove this other piece of trim around your door handle. Make life easier. So let's have a look at that and take this lug off, and we should be coming loose. Okay guys, let you in a little secret here. I have had to release the door card. PX3, other brands might be similar. Got the speaker here, but the door card actually slides under the speaker. Bit of a pain by about that much, a couple inches, 25 mil maybe. So that means you can't get to the bottom screw. So I've had this release it to get the bottom screw. So anyway, we are one screw left at the top. We're just giving it, left it loose. Take that off, and we will see if we can pull that mirror out of there. Yep, that's all loose. We'll come around the other side, eh? So this one is just tucked behind the monsoon shield. I've separated that. That's easy. And simple as that, out she comes. That's it. There's your electric mirror wire. So what we have got for the new one, back in my back pocket, we do have adapters. There's already a set on the mirrors that come with it, which are possibly the ones, but we do have these other adapters to change over in case yours is slightly different. So I'm going to clean this up, get rid of a bit of muck, and put the new one on, start bolting it all back together. Looking good. Alright guys, remove the little plastic lugs that stop them. You see these ones got the bolts on the mirror side this time. So they're going to go through and hold it. Nice new rubber seal. Got a sticker there to get rid of. Out of the way. Poke the plug through and see how we go. Nice big slot with a hole there actually. It's pretty good. All I've got to do is get it tucked under there. Through the slot. And line that up so it goes through the holes. Where are you guys? Come on. Up a bit, I think. Can't see what I'm doing at all. There we go. It's in. That's it. So now I'll reach through and start putting some bolts on. I'm going to push my luck here. Let that hang there for a second. Probably should have been more organised with that. Should have the nuts in my hand. So as you can imagine guys, 10mm nut on these. There we go. That will secure it. Number one. Pretty easy. Pretty damn easy. So the other one is here. So I'll just bolt these up. And we will plug it in, I think, and just check that things are working before we go too far. Make sure I have got the right plug, etc. And take it from there. Plug's looking good. Yep, that's plugged in. Okay, I'm going to disappear for a sec. I'm just going to check that we've got power and things are working, indicators working, and then we'll look at bolting her up and see what it looks like with the door closed. Easy. There they are, mirror is on. Nice and easy. Looks good too. Pretty happy with that. What do you think of that? So yeah, nice snug fit, everything fits as per factory, rubber seals in nicely, all waterproof. So yeah, quite happy with that. Indicators work, electrics work on the mirror for adjustment. Only thing these don't do is they don't automatically fold in like your original ones, and I believe that's true on quite a few of them. So I basically never used that feature anyway, so I'm not too worried. They're pretty easy to manually pull it in if you really felt like you had to. So yeah, absolutely wrapped. Anyway, I'm going to do the other side. I'm not going to bore you with that. I'm going to make you sit through all of that, and we will see when it's all done and dusted. There we go. Just got the hazards on just to show you that these LEDs on the sides light up really well. They're a lovely smoke lens. Very cool. There we go. Pretty happy with them. I like that. They look damn good. All we need now is hook the caravan up, eh? Get out there for a drive. So there we go, all done. This side took me about 15 minutes, quite literally, no time at all. Because I wasn't filming or anything, knew what I was doing, knew what I needed. This just happened real quick, so that was easy. Happy with that. These are sitting in their standard position at the moment. You can of course lock them in a bit if you want them out the way. It's fantastic, nice and stiff too, so not gonna happen in the wind. That's the extended version. That's giving you a real big angle around the side there. I think that I will probably be fine with these in the caravan at this. We will see. You know, obviously a lot of these off-road caravans are a lot bigger, things like that. There's different ones. So you'll get your own fit. You can just bring these out partially if you want, don't have to go all the way. So that is damn good. These lenses, top lens, I'm getting a fantastic wide angle out the back. You see lots of stuff. The lower one, that's probably my favorite. I can see the rear wheel. I can see exactly what's going on, what that wheel's running over, what I'm reversing into. Pretty damn good actually, quite happy with that. So yeah, let's I'll pack up the tools now, take it for a drive, and at some stage I'm going to hook the caravan on and get out of here. So yep, DRIVETECH guys, 4x4 mirrors. Remember that they're on the Repco deal at the moment until November the 16th. Okay, so the Repco gets you going deal, absolutely fantastic, well worth it. Along with all the other gear they got at the moment, so at least get yourself down there to have a look or jump online, see what they've got. Discounts are pretty good. And these, really well made. Very happy. Alright, I'm out of here. Thanks for watching everyone.